I'm going to show you how to install your own bath. Start by screwing the leg frame to the bottom and the side of the bath and one centre support. Place the plug through the hole on the inside of the bath, then screw tight the bottle trap from the underside. Screw in the plug and press it down. Apply the overflow and tighten the bolt at the rear. Hand screw the overflow cover into position and connect the overflow into the bottle trap at the bottom of the bath. Place your taps and connect them up, then connect your flexi hoses. Screw a batten to the wall at the right level, apply a line of general purpose silicone on the batten and on the edge of the bath, lift this and place into position. Then you connect your hot and water mains, then fit and silicone your two side panels into position, leaving enough space at the side for the tiles. For more how-to videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.